Direct metal laser sintering is an additive manufacturing technology that uses various metal and alloy materials to create durable parts and product prototypes. The process begins in the same way as other additive manufacturing technologies, with a computer program that segments 3D data into 2D cross-sectional images. Each cross-section serves as a blueprint, and the data is transmitted to the device. The recorder component pushes powdered metal material from the powder supply onto the build plate, creating a uniform layer of powder. A laser is then used to draw a 2D cross-section on the surface of the build material, heating and melting the material. After each layer is completed, the build plate is lowered to make room for the next layer, and more material is evenly reapplied to the previous layer. The machine continues to sinter layer by layer, building parts from the bottom up, then removing the finished parts from the base for post-processing, including heat treatment, polishing, and other processes. TEYU S&A laser chillers come with mature temperature control solutions for the laser additive manufacturing industry. As the types of laser additive processes continue to expand, TEYU S&A Chiller with keen insight is constantly capturing market demand and providing reliable temperature control solutions for laser processing users. Follow me to learn more about TEYU S&A Chiller.